So another paragraph here is the assembly line. Let's go. We'll go over the pronunciation features that you will most likely, not know and will know after this lesson. Not lesson, but video. So Henry Ford was a car builder. The assembly line. Henry Ford was a car builder. He was not the first one to have the idea of the horseless coach. The Germans Daimler and Benz had invented it, but he was the first one to use the assembly line for mass production. His Model T car was the first to be produced on the assembly line. The new system cut the time in which the car was put together from 14 hours to 1 hour and 33 minutes. Eventually, the price of the car fell from $1,200 to $295. The car lacked certain luxuries, still could be relied on, and didn't need much looking after. Soon the Model T became the people's car. After 19 years, when the Model T became obsolete and the sales dropped sharply for other car manufacturers, copying Ford's assembly line system were able to bring down the cost of much more attractive cars. Ford developed the new Model A. It too was the most inexpensive car on the market. Today there are hardly any factories to be found where Ford's assembly line system is not being utilized for mass production. If you notice, there are lots of words that end with ed that I have highlighted here. We'll go over them, but just keep in mind this is important. The first one is was. It's not was. You don't say was. Yes, it's not was. It's was. Remember, for the W to be pronounced correctly, your upper teeth and bottom lip should not touch v. You say v. This is wrong. V. Wrong. V. Next is it's was. Next is builder. So to build, builder, building. You don't pronounce u. It's like there is no u here. God damn it. So as if there is no u, it's like builder, building, build. Produced. As I said in the previous video, the ed turns into t. Timur. So it's produced. 33, not 33, not 33. There is nobody who is 3 in your lesson or whatever. It's 33, no 3. Eventually. It's che, eventually. Next is 1200, so any numbers that have 2 zeros, yes? Or basically, barming bishus, barming tokus, barming qs, ikiming tokus. So 2 zeros and 2 other numbers, you pronounce it like the first 2 and then add 100. So for example, ikiming tokus is 2900, yeah? Or sakizming tokus is 8900. And the same like here, 1200, yeah, barming qs it's 1200. And if you have like 3 different numbers, yeah, like 359, you say 359. And the same here, 295. Completely fine. Total understandable, very usable, no mistake. Next, lacked. Again, ed is pronounced as te. It's lacked. Luxuries. I think you're going to check it for yourselves. I'm not sure if it's luxuries or luxuries. Luxurious. I think it's jahongir. Luxuries. Obsolete. Dropped. Again, ed is t. Dropped. Developed. Utilized. And the last one is hardly. Hardly doesn't mean difficult. Hardly means like almost no. Diadli yok. Yes. Zörga, bazır. In Russian we say едва ли. So hardly. Yeah.